Hello, good morning. Post precipitation, the process in which an impurity is deposited after precipitation of the desired substance is called post precipitation. In gravimetric analysis, post precipitation refers to the contamination of the desired precipitate by other substance that precipitate later from the supernatant solution. Post-precipitation refers to the contamination of the desired precipitate by the other substance that precipitate later from the supernatant solution. For example, in gravimetric determination, for example, in gravimetric determination of barium as a barium sulfate, if the solution contains strontium or calcium ions and they precipitate a sulfate after the barium sulfate has formed. This is the post-precipitation. Co-precipitation versus post-precipitation. Co-precipitation is a type of precipitation where the soluble components in a solution are removed during the course of precipitation. Co-precipitation is a type of precipitation where soluble compounds in a solution are removed during the course of precipitation. Post-precipitation is a type of precipitation where the precipitation of undesirable compounds occurs, that is the impurities, after the formation of the precipitate of the desired compound. Degree of contamination, co-precipitation is high, post-precipitation low. Time of the precipitation during the desirable precipitation. Co-precipitation during the desirable precipitation. For example, in above example, we have determining the barium sulfate PPT. At the same time of precipitation of barium sulfate, another precipitation comes, that is the co-precipitation. After the desirable precipitation, in case of the post-precipitation, first of all, barium sulfate precipitate, then after only the calcium and strontium precipitate, that is the post-precipitation. Example, precipitation of silver ions with other ions during the silver chloride precipitation. Formation of calcium oxalate after the precipitation of magnesium oxalate. Okay, it's all about post-precipitation and co-precipitation versus post-precipitation. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye-bye.